감사합니다. 오케이. 네. 영어 괜찮아요?
네네.
오케이. 오케이. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Jiung.
Okay.
You can just call me Mark.
Mark. Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Nice to meet you. My name is. Okay, that's my name. This is my last name. You can pronounce like this, or yes, or like Ki or Chi. Both is okay. Okay, and that's my last name. Nothing special. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So okay. Sorry for yesterday. Okay. I was like in the middle of the shooting and it took too much time as I was expected. Okay. But okay, let's move on here. Okay. Okay. You guys, did you do the homework? Is it hard? Because we have like two homework, right? We have the real homework, like the easy, and the hard one. Okay. The one that I sent yesterday was a little bit harder. Okay. But did you try it?
I didn't try.
You did.
Second one.
The second one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw the second one, but there are some words that I don't know.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, I just like look through it.
It's okay. But the homework, how was it?
The first one?
Yes,
I
it
think
was
it's fine.
okay.
Yeah.
Not hard. Okay. So let's try to do together the first one. Okay. And if you have questions, you can make questions. Okay. And the second one, I will not correct them. Okay. We have, if you see, I sent also like answers. Okay. So because it's too much exercises, I don't want to spend much time. Okay, this. So, but if you have any questions, you can let me know. Okay. But I think it's not hard, but not easy. Okay, because of vocabulary. Okay, but mostly it's just verbo ser. Okay, we have this verbo ser here. Okay, good. Let's look at the exercise. Let's try to do that like in a. Oh, also, I sent a website to check the alphabet. Okay, learning the alphabet, it's important, but I don't think it's the most important things now. Okay, we have things that we should see before. Okay, so but if you have time, you can take a look at the alphabet. Okay, especially if you want to spelling your names or spelling something important, it's good to know the alphabet. Okay, but the alphabet, it's not a big deal. It's really easy. Similar to English, maybe just one different letter, because we have this letter also. Okay, but I think that's the only one that's different comparing to the English alphabet. Okay, and also we have different pronunciations. For example, for the word, this letter, I say ache. So it's not H, but similar, eight and ache. It's similar. Okay, so we don't have much time for this now. So if we have time, I can go for it. Okay, but if you have any, if you have time, you can take a look at the video. Okay, that's like a child video, so it's funny to watch. And they speak really good, like really clear Spanish, and they have subtitles, so you can take a look at the pronunciation and some words, because they say, for example, they say amigo, so we can also get more vocabulary using the words. Okay, questions so far? No? Okay, let's take a look at the homework. Okay, let's try to do like this. Oh, okay, first. Let's do a quick review, okay? This is verbo ser, okay? This is our very first verb in Spanish, okay? Verbo ser is just like way almost the same to ida in Korean, okay? So if you don't have to, you guys know English, right? So if you want to, you can remember about the verb to be. So it's almost the same, okay? Some differences, but mostly the same. If you want to think in Korean, that's the verb ida. So you can switch for ida. But we have a different order, okay? So we have chuo, so I need to say cho and tú or usted or nosotros, vosotros, ustedes, and then right after we need to say the verb, okay? So you can memorize like this. If you want to say, in Korean it's like chuo, blah 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 blah, and verb, okay? So try to switch that and say right after. Yo soy, tú eres, él es, something like this, okay? Questions? No? Good. I'm going to this first. I'm going to more explanations, okay? More verbs, more examples, and then I think we are be able to talk more, okay? So far, I think it's okay. We don't need to talk much. I won't ask you much, but remember that in a while, I'm gonna ask you questions, okay? Maybe let's try to speak more because that's important to practice, okay? Let's try to do like this. Okay, everyone here did your homework, right? Okay, so let's try to do like this. Can we do like 1, 2, 3, like this order? Okay. Okay, so first, okay, number 1, yo
soy coreano.
Yes, okay, yo soy coreano. The pronunciation of the... Oh, I did it. A mistake. Okay, the pronunciation of yo, okay, you can say in Spanish pronunciation it's more like yo, but you can say yo or yo depending on where you are, so it doesn't matter, okay? But choose one and say it, okay? So in Spain it's more common to say yo, okay, yo. It's not too strong like yo, but yo, like yo, okay? And okay, one more thing I remember, I didn't tell you. In Spain, actually, you said you're going to stay in Madrid, right? Yeah, that's a good thing because they speak different languages depending where you are. So if you said to me, oh, we are going to stay in Barcelona, Barcelona speaks, they can speak Spanish as well, of course. The whole Spain can speak Spanish, but in Barcelona they can also speak Catalan. So, for example, you can speak Spanish with people, but probably you're going to listen a different language, okay? Also, you have Basco, this is another language. Also, Gallego. So we have different languages inside Spain. But in Madrid, it's mostly Spanish, so you don't need to worry about that, okay? Okay, so yo soy coreano, okay? Yes. 2. Tú eres profesor, okay? Let's try to do the pronunciation more, how can I say, articulated. So, tú eres profesor, okay? In real life, it doesn't matter. You can say, it doesn't matter, okay? But let's try to practice, okay? 3. Él es soltero. Él es, so we can say él es. Él es soltero. Okay. 4.
Nosotros somos católicos.
Nosotros somos católicos. Okay, good. And also, I didn't tell you, but I can also say nosotras. Okay, so I can say nosotros for man or man and woman together, or nosotras if there's only women. Okay, just women, you can say nosotras. Good. 5. Okay, ustedes son. Here, ustedes son. Okay, and remember, for only about Mexico, I need to say Mexico. Okay, the X sound is H, okay? Just for this word, Mexico or Mexicano, okay? Because of I told you, right? Because of this, the native language in Mexico, they need to say Mexico, but just in this word, okay? Okay, so ustedes son mexicanos, okay? Say 6.
No son estudiantes de pasantía.
Okay, ellos son, okay, estudiantes. Ellos son estudiantes de pasantía. And also, you said you're going to do a internship, right? And that's the word for that, okay? So, estudiantes is student, okay? Yo soy estudiante. De pasantía, intern. Okay, so I can say, yo soy estudiante de pasantía. Or, yo soy pasante. Pasante is also a word. Okay, this word is more common in Spain. Okay. What else? Okay. Next one.
Usted es casado.
Usted es casado. Usted es casado. Good. Next one.
Ella es protestante.
Ella es protestante. Ella es protestante. Sí. Next.
Yo no soy americano.
Yo no soy americano. Okay, yo no soy. Okay, so I can say soy or no soy. Okay, really easy. Yo soy, yo no soy. Just like in English, almost just like in English. Okay, Days.
Tú eres ingeniero.
Okay. Ingeniero.
Ingeniero.
Tú eres ingeniero. Tú eres ingeniero. Okay. Okay, next.
Nosotros no somos divorciados.
Nosotros no somos divorciados. Nosotros no somos divorciados. Okay. Next.
ellas son budistas.
Okay, ellas son budistas. Good. Next.
Eres de Argentina.
Okay. Él you said it is sounds like this. Él es de Argentina. Okay. Remember, I can say the place. Okay. De Argentina, de Corea, de Estados Unidos, de whatever. Okay. Or I need to remember the name. So, yo soy coreano. Yo soy de Corea. Same. Okay. So if you don't remember the word, you can say de Corea, de España, whatever. Okay. Okay. Next.
Vosotros sois pasantes.
Vosotros sois pasantes. So pasantes is intern. Okay, intern. Vosotros sois pasantes. Vosotros. Remember, vosotros, ustedes means you, but vosotros is more informal. Ustedes more formal. Okay, so if you want to address in a formal way, ustedes. Okay, or vosotros, just saying, or maybe lower position. Okay, for the same tú and usted. Usted, tú. Okay. Next.
Nosotros somos viudos.
Nosotros somos viudos. Viudos. You can say just like the B. Nosotros somos viudos. Okay. Next.
Ella es judía.
Ella es judía. Okay. Good. Next.
Yo soy inglés.
Yo soy inglés. Okay. Próximo. No, tú eres médico. Tú eres médico. Okay, good. Tú eres médico. Next.
Ellos son musulmanes.
Ellos son musulmanes. Musulmanes. Ellos son musulmanes. Okay. Next.
Usted es japonés.
Japonés. Usted es japonés. In Spanish, I have some stressing syllables, okay? So in this case, it's japonés. It's not japonés or japonés. It's japonés. Can you notice the difference? Okay, so it's the last one is the strongest. Okay, so japonés. Usted es japonés. Usted es japonés. Sometimes it's right. It's a little hard. It's a little bit hard to say. Okay, next.
Él es cantante.
Él es cantante. Okay. Próximo.
Nosotros no somos de China.
Nosotros no somos de China. Nosotros no somos chinos. No somos chinos, no somos de China. Okay, good. Next.
Vosotros sois cantantes.
Vosotros sois cantantes. Sí. Next.
Ustedes son abogados.
This one is, no, ustedes son abogados. It misses an S here. Not abogado, abogados. Okay? I need to say S. Ustedes son abogados. Okay, good. Next one.
Yo soy estudiante.
Yo soy estudiante. Sí. Próximo.
Tú eres médico.
Tú eres médico. Okay. Next.
Ella es mexicano.
Ella es mexicana.
Mexicana.
Okay, I need to conjugate. So female to female. Okay, ella es mexicana. Next.
Nosotros somos cantantes.
Nosotros somos cantantes. This because it's plural, it's 복수. Nosotros somos cantantes. Okay. Next. Oh, if you say nosotros somos cantante, something like this, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay, just keep practicing. But the right grammar is nosotros somos cantantes. S. Okay. Next.
Ellos son casados.
Ellos son casados. Sí. Próximo.
Ustedes de Corea.
Usted es de Corea. De Corea. Usted es de Corea. Sí. Próximo.
Él es profesor.
Él es profesor. Sí. Próximo.
Ellas son abogadas.
Right. Ellas son abogadas. Sí, ellas son abogadas. Sí. Próximo.
Yo no soy soltero.
Yo no soy. I am a boy, so yo no soy soltero. If I'm a girl, yo no soy soltera. Okay. Next.
Ustedes son ingenieros.
Ustedes son ingenieros. Sí. Ustedes son ingenieros. Sí. Next.
Vosotros sois ejecutivos.
Vosotros sois ejecutivos. Vosotros sois ejecutivos. Sí. Próximo.
Nosotros no somos americanos.
Nosotros no somos americanos. Es the ri. Ok, nosotros no somos americanos. No. Nosotros somos americanos. Ok. Next.
Tú eres divorciado.
Tú eres divorciado. Sí, tú eres divorciado. If I am talking to a woman, tú eres divorciada. Ok. For a girl, divorciada. For a man, divorciado. Sí. Next.
Ella no es profesora.
Ella no es profesora. Sí. Ella no es profesora. Sí. Next.
Ellos son pasantes.
Ellos son pasantes. Sí, ellos son pasantes. This is a question. Ellos son pasantes. Sí. Next.
Ellas no católicas.
Ellas no son católicas. Sí, ellos no son.
Católicas.
Sí. Next.
La profesora no es casada.
La profesora no es casada. Sí. Next.
Los abogados abogados son budistas.
Los abogados son budistas. Sí, I'm going to write here. We are going to see this today, okay? What is this? Okay? Los artículos. Okay? I'm going to explain now before we keep going, okay? Los artículos is the same. I don't want to stuck in this, okay? Because it's really hard for Koreans to understand this. But if you know already, English is the same of the. So if you need to say in English the, you need to say el, los, la, or las. Okay? So if I'm talking about one thing, for example, profesor, el profesor, the teacher, the, but it's profesor, profesor is just one male, el profesor, okay? Los profesores, okay? La profesora, las profesoras. So in English, I just have the teacher, but in Spanish I have 4 options: for a man, for a woman, for men and women. Okay? So el profesor, los profesores, la profesora, las profesoras. Okay? For every word. For example, I have abogado, abogado, el abogado, los abogados. Okay? Los abogados. Okay. Los abogados son budistas. Los abogados son budistas. Okay, it's a question. Next, los estudiantes.
Los estudiantes de pasantía son coreanos.
Yes, los estudiantes de pasantía son coreanos. Sí, los estudiantes son coreanos. Every word in plural. Pulls to, okay? Last one.
El médico es inglés.
El médico es inglés. El médico es inglés. Okay, right. Good. So, for this one, we're going to see more of this today. Okay, but don't worry about this. If you can guess, you can try. If you mistake, it's already okay. It's something that you really need to practice. Okay, good. This translation exercise, actually, what I do in this exercise, I write sentences and I just translate it. So I'm not sure if this is right. Okay, so if it's not right, we can change it now. Okay, so first one, how can I say that? Okay.
Yo soy coreano.
Yo soy coreana. Sí, yo soy coreana. Sí, next.
Tú eres profesor.
Tú eres profesor. In this situation, it's profesor. So profesor is a more formal person. So I would say, usted es profesor. Okay? Usted es profesor. Next.
Él es soltero.
Él es soltero. Sí. Next.
Nosotros somos católicos.
Nosotros somos católicos. Sí. Or nosotras somos católicas. Okay? I don't know. Depends. Okay, next.
Ustedes es de México.
Ustedes son de México. Sí, sí. Or mexicanos. Ustedes son mexicanos. Ustedes son de México. Same. Next.
Ellos son estudiantes.
Ellos son estudiantes. Sí. Next. Usted es casado. Sí, sí. Usted es casado. Is a question? No. It's not a question. Usted es casado. Usted es casado. Or tú eres casado. Depending on who we're talking to. Okay? Next.
Nosotros somos católicos.
Nosotros somos católicos. Sí. Next.
Ellas son americanos.
Ellas son americanas. Ellos son de Estados Unidos. Sí, ellas son de Estados Unidos. de los Estados Unidos. Okay, anyway. Next. Ingeniero. Sí, sí. Yeah, okay. Él es ingeniero. Probably you're not going to use every single word, so just remember the words that you might use the most, okay? Like estudiante, profesor, words like this. Next.
Ustedes son divorciados.
Okay. Ustedes son divorciados. Ustedes son divorciados. Sí. Next.
Nosotros somos budistas.
Nosotros somos budistas. Sí. Next.
Ella es de España.
Ella es de España. Ella es española. Ella es española. Ella es de España. Sí. Same thing. Okay. Próximo.
Ellos son ejecutivos.
Ejecutivos, sí, sí. Ellos son ejecutivos. Ellos son ejecutivos. Ellos son ejecutivos. Sí. Next.
Yo soy viuda.
Yo soy viuda. Yo soy viuda. Yo soy viudo. If it's a man. Next. I don't know. Judein. Judío. Él es judío. Él es judío. Again, Spanish, it's a really strong language, so you need to say the words too strong, at least in the beginning, okay? So don't, if you say, ustedes son, don't understand, okay? So, ustedes son judíos in the beginning, okay? Next.
Tú eres inglesa.
Okay, tú eres inglesa, tú eres inglés. It's right. It's a woman, inglesa, tú eres inglesa, tú eres inglés. It's a man. Usted es inglesa. Same. Okay, depending. We have more options. Next.
Ella es interna.
Pasante. Pasante. Sí, ella es pasante. Sí, ella es pasante. O estudiante de pasantía. Estudiante de pasantía. Sí, próximo.
Nosotros somos musulmanes.
Nosotros somos musulmanes. Sí. Próximo.
Vosotros sois japoneses.
Vosotros sois japoneses. Ok. Vosotros sois japoneses. O ustedes son japoneses. Ustedes son. Vosotros sois. Ok. Next.
Ellas son cantantes.
Ellas son cantantes. Sí. Próximo. Ok, vosotros sois de China, vosotros sois chinos o chinas. Vosotros sois chinas, vosotros sois chinos, vosotros sois de China. They all the same. Okay, we have a lot of options. Okay, next.
Nosotros somos abogados.
Nosotros somos abogados. O nosotras somos abogadas. Okay? Okay, question. We need to see the image and answer. Okay, this one. ¿Tú eres chino? So, okay, let's imagine. This is a situation. So, imagine you are the picture, okay? So, someone asks you. ¿Tú eres chino? Look at the picture. What's the answer?
Yo no soy chino.
¿De dónde sois? ¿Dónde sois? No soy de chino. Soy de Corea, ¿ok? ¿De dónde? Entonces, ¿tú eres chino? No soy chino, soy de Corea, soy coreano, coreana, ¿ok? Next. Okay, you are the next one, right? Okay, ella es de Italia.
No, ella es de
Francia.
Francia.
Ella es de Francia. Okay, we didn't see Italia y Francia, but two easy words. Francia, Italia. Okay, usted es cantante.
Sí, usted es cantante.
Okay, it's right, but just remember, I'm asking you, ¿usted es cantante? Yo soy cantante.
Yeah.
Just like in a conversation, okay? ¿Usted es cantante? Sí, yo soy cantante. Okay, now, ¿ustedes son estudiantes?
Nosotros no somos estudiantes. Nosotros somos médicos.
Okay, sí, cierto. I can also, you are perfectly right, okay? But I can say this short, like, ustedes son estudiantes, no somos estudiantes, somos médicos. You can short, but it's perfectly right, okay? La profesora es casada.
La profesora es casada. Ella es
Viuda. Ella es viuda. Si la profesora no es casada más, ella es viuda. Ok, los ejecutivos son musulmanes.
Sí, nosotros somos musulmanes.
Okay, but this one is los ejecutivos, it means they. Los ejecutivos son musulmanes, sí, ellos son musulmanes, not nosotros. But it's okay, just the grammar is good, the grammar is right, okay? It's just to practice some context, some conversation, okay? Good, any questions? Okay? You're not going to use every single word. You're not going to use words like judío or musulmán, okay? Or casado, words like that, okay? So just my advice, you can try to make a vocabularies, that words that you think you should learn, okay? You should like memorize, okay? All of these words are basic, important, but maybe not the most important thing for you. So depending on your situation, you can choose words. So words like nacionalidades, I'm mixing all those languages. Nacionalidades like coreano, chino, japonés, español, you should know, okay, but you don't need to know words like, I don't know, mexicano or argentino, words like that, okay? Profesiones is saying religiones, nombres, sí, nombres, like your name. So the word for nombre, okay? Nombre means name. So nombre, ¿cuál es tu nombre? Words like this, okay? You should know. Questions?
What is Portuguese
Yes.
in Spanish?
How is the word?
Yeah.
Portugal. Portugal is Portugal, and Portuguese. Portugués is the people. Yo soy de Portugal, yo soy portugués. Inglés, portugués, francés, almost the same. Japonés, okay? Or mexicano, coreano, I don't know, angolano. We have an or es. We have options, okay? Questions so far?
No.
Do you plan also to go to Portugal? Maybe?
Maybe
It's too close, right?
I want to.
Yeah, that's beautiful as well. Okay, let's go to this one, okay? This is also a really important, this is maybe the most important verbs, okay? In every language, not only in Spanish. This is a verb, the verbo estar, okay? Verbo ser, verbo estar. This is the name of the verb, okay? So you need to know the name of the verb, estar. But I don't say yo estar. I don't say yo ser. No, I need to change. So the same. So yo, I let you know. Yo estoy. Same. Yo soy. Yo estoy. Okay? Tú estás. Él, ella, usted está. Similar. Oh, not similar this time. Estás, está. Nosotros estamos. Nosotros estamos. Nosotras estamos. Vosotros, vosotras estáis. Okay? Maybe similar, like amos, ais, ois. Maybe similar, okay? Ellos, ellos, ustedes están. Son, están. So maybe the end of the verb is almost every time the same. Okay? So yo estoy, tú estás, él está, nosotros estamos, vosotros estáis, ellos están. Okay? What's the meaning of the verb estar? We have different meanings, okay? First one, yo estoy, I need, okay, I will write right here. Yo estoy, okay, the meaning of estoy, the first one is to be at somewhere. Okay, yo estoy aquí, por ejemplo. Okay, aquí means here. Yo estoy aquí. Good? Perfect. Just like in Korean. 여기 있어요. Right? Good. But just like in Korean, I cannot say, maybe I can, but for example, 집에 있어요. I need a. Right? The same in Spanish. I need preposition. Okay? So yo estoy en. I need en. I will write it in a different color. I need preposition